Hey YouTubers, I just barely received this at my UPS box. It's from Romeo Power Technology. It is a power, like a power brick for your cell phones or your laptops. It's a power charger, portable power charger. I pre-ordered this back in October and I finally received it. So let's open up the box. Okay, put it into the box right here. Let's see what we have inside. It came in a bigger box than I thought it would. I'm gonna leave the box there, please. So as you can see here, this is the side of the box. This is in the inside of the box right here. And so the packaging is pretty nice. They made sure that it didn't bounce around a lot. And here is the Romeo Saber. I give it a quick spin on my review board. As you can see, it actually looks bigger than I thought it would. As you can see, it's a power bank. And I'm gonna pause it right here. You can charge laptops, tablets, phones, action cameras, DSL cameras, drones. It has a USB-C, 2 USB ports, and one outlet, one AC outlet, 120 volt. And also you can charge it at the home. And I believe you can also, it has a solar charger, I'm not sure. But let's open this box up. As you can see, it's pretty much shock-proof, water plus dust resistant. So let's see. Oh, this thing is kind of heavy. I like the packaging though, it's very nice. It opens up right here. Has a little pamphlet that says, "Power is your passion." These are instructions. You can connect it to Bluetooth, to your phone, to pair it up to see how much battery is left. Tells you how to charge your device. USB-C, AC outlet. And it gives you all the ranges. It has bars. I would have liked the digital where it actually showed numbers of how much battery you have left. But let's see what happens. There's even an app for it too. You get an app on the phone. This is just another cover. Oh, wow. Yeah, this thing is big. It's very nicely packaged though. I can tell you that much. It's very nice packaging. I really like it. But this thing is big. You can tell it's big, so it makes it rugged. I'll put the battery right here for now, temporarily. And let's see, we have an accessory box in here. How do I get to it? The tablet. And put the box over here. Let's see. Some accessory box. I'm gonna cut it open. Packaging. Okay, we have a drawstring right here, so you can carry it around. And then we have the wall charger and the drawstring right here. Okay, so let's take a look at this thing. Let's see if it has any charge. Looks like it has 1 bar charge right now. So let's look at all the ports. Ooh, this top part here is made of rubber, I guess, so that it could be waterproof and dustproof. AC outlet right here. Let's close this up. At the other end, you have the USB-C and the USB, the 2 USBs and the DC in to charge it. One USB is 1 amp and the other is 2.5 amps. So, not a bad device. I need to do some more testing to see how it actually works. But this is the Saber Power Pack from Romeo Power Technologies. Please subscribe, as I will have more reviews coming up from my crowdfunding. And have a nice day. Thank you.